Alright, boys and girls, so today we are going to be starting our lava lamp lesson, and with this project we're going to be learning about two different things. We're going to be learning about warm colors and cool colors, and also geometric and organic shapes. Your first job today is to decide which group of colors you want to use for your background. So when we're thinking about warm colors and cool colors, warm colors would be red, orange, yellow, and cool colors would be the greens, blues, and purples. We are not using black and brown. Those are neutral colors and a separate group altogether. So you're going to decide between these warm color group or the cool color group for your background. Whichever color group you choose today, you are going to use the opposite one in your lava lamp. So today, if I choose to use cool colors in my background, that means that I'm going to use these warm colors in my lava lamp whenever we make that. So you're kind of needing to think ahead to the various parts of the project so that you know, planning ahead so you know what you're going to do. So today we're going to be using geometric shapes in our background and then one of those color groups. Remembering from the videos that geometric shapes are shapes with names like squares, triangles, rectangles, hexagons, octagons, those are circles, those are all geometric shapes. They are math shapes and shapes with names. So I think I'm going to do cool colors in the background. So starting with some crayons, we are going to fill our background with geometric shapes, and I like to use triangles. I just think they're super fun. So I'm going to start by adding some triangles in my background. I can make bigs and small, and I can switch my colors also as long as I'm keeping with my cool color theme. And notice how all of my triangles are kind of going different directions. That just makes it a little more interesting to see and look at. Okay, and again I can switch my colors to another cool color. This time I'm using a green, and I can fill in some of these empty areas with triangles that are green. Okay, let me do one more up there. Once we have our geometric shapes drawn in our color group that we chose for today, then we are going to use watercolor paint in the same color group. So you're going to choose one color. Since I'm using cool colors, I will choose either the green, blue, or purple to paint in my background. The cool thing about using crayon and watercolor together is that the crayon creates a resist. It resists the paint, so your crayon does not get covered over with your paint when you use watercolor. So since I used the green and the blue crayon, I'm going to go ahead and use purple so that I'm representing all of my cool colors in my background. So I'm going to get a little bit of purple paint here. And of course when we paint, we go back and forth with our color. And when your paintbrush starts to get dry, you're going to get more water. Touch the inside of the water bucket so that the extra drips run back down inside, and then back and forth, filling in all of our background area. We want to make sure that we're taking care of our paintbrushes and we're never going around in circle with our paintbrush. Our paintbrush should never have a crazy hairdo. It should always have a nice slick hair on our paintbrush. So if you stop and look, my paintbrush still has nice, slick hair. If you notice that your paintbrush has crazy hair, it's totally fine. You're just going to stop. You are going to rinse out your paintbrush to make the hair nice and slick again, and then try not to press so hard when you're painting, and also make sure that you're going in these back and forth directions. It's when we press too hard and when we go kind of around in circle with our paintbrush that we get crazy hair on our paintbrush. I am almost done here. Okay, and now my geometric cool color background is ready for my lava lamp that we will start making next time.